welcome to my channel. I do videos on all things cute. Today we're talking about coloring books. So if you frequent apps like TikTok, you know about Bobbie Goods. She does these whimsical coloring books. I have quite a few. It's unfortunate that I don't have any of her books on me right now. I have a berry coloring book and I got it because I love this picture of a carousel. You know how I feel about carousels. And then I have this one, which is also really cute. This one's from Michelle Marie, who I love her art style. This is like her second volume. I wonder if she's had more. I haven't been keeping up, but these are also really cute. And then I have this one that I picked up on a whim, which I also really like, but honestly I haven't started this one. The paper quality for these two is not as good as the Bobbie Goods that I was telling you about or the froggy ones. These are nice quality papers. Anyway, point is, I love coloring books like that. I don't like the super intricate, like super popularized adult coloring books from like the 2012s because I would just get overwhelmed and never ever finish them, and then my wrist starts hurting sometimes from coloring with them. Anyway, point is, Bobbie Goods released a coloring pack collaboration with Ohuhu Markers. They're the alcohol markers that are super popular. I've actually had Ohuhu markers for a long time. They're alcohol-based markers, so they blend a little bit better than like a Crayola marker does. And I've had quite a few packs over the past couple years, but when I saw that Bobbie Goods came out with her own like specialized, you know, curated pack, I had to do it. I sound ridiculous just saying this, but let's unbox it. I actually unboxed it in a short. You might have seen it. If not, I'll link it. But I wanted to show it to you as well. When they first launched, they sold out within a minute, and there's been more restock since then. So by the time you watch this video, these should be easier to get a hold of. I've seen them on TikTok Shop as well, and I'm pretty sure those are real. But look, oh wait, it's open. Let me close this up before I spill everything. I ended up getting mine on Amazon during the second restock. So here is the packaging. How freaking cute. So this is the style I was talking about. Super whimsical, super beautiful. I literally love everything she does. For 2023, she released these Valentine's Day postcards that you can tear and color and share. And I did that at my old job when I was working at the museum with my friends, and it was so much fun. So I am a big fan of all her things. I think they're worth the money. This is a set of 50 markers. I think one of them is like a colorless blender. Yeah, so there's a colorless blender, and the rest are this, which is a good combination of like pastels and primary colors. And I think the brush tip on this, yeah, it's like a traditional brush tip. I think the ones that I first picked out, there you go, this is it. I think the first pack I ever had, I ended up accidentally getting just this instead. I mean, I don't really have a preference. I'm not that good at adult coloring. There's a certain way of doing it with these markers that makes it less streaky, and also there's more intricate ways. Like if you follow Bobbie Goods on her Instagram, a lot of the coloring pages she reposts that people send her and tag her in are super intricate, super, I think, advanced levels of coloring. Like I try to pay attention to the shadows and like the point of light, like where's the light source, where's all these highlights, you know what I mean? But for me, it loses its fun sometimes when I compare myself too much. So when I do adult coloring books, I'm going to show you a page, for example. I just keep it simple, guys. I'm doing flat coloring, and I hope to one day build up that skill to be able to do like super intricate pages and stuff. Like I'll show you some examples so you know what I'm talking about, because TikTok is full of those kinds of people who can do amazing things, but I keep it simple. So this is really cute. It also comes with a free little postcard to color. I love the cardstock she chooses when it comes to her stuff. And then it comes with the little sheet to have the color swatches. I forgot what this is called, but it's super cute. It's decorated. Like, look at that. Insane. This is going to be so much fun. I honestly would sit down and do this right now on camera, but the Christmas tree is up downstairs, and that means we had to disassemble our dining room table. Because I downsized a couple years ago, I don't have a dining room table during the month of December because the tree is up, and even honestly into January. So I'll see what I can do about maybe making this into a video and like coloring on the floor or something. I really don't know because I can't do it right now, but these are so much fun. I really want to put use and time into like actually coloring and stuff. Since we're here, let me show you a little bit more closely. So this is the Frog and Adventures coloring book from Michelle Marie, who I love. She's super talented. She has the most amazing coloring books. And like her little mascot tends to be this frog. So there's a fall version of this, which I do have. This is the Christmas version. I don't know, again, if she's released anything else. Oh, I've colored this one. So this is like an example of my very flat coloring. I'm still working on it, guys. I'm still working on it, but this is that. And let me see. I think I have a page filled in here somewhere. I have 2 copies of these so that I can share, because I like to color with people. I think it's a lot more fun that way. Okay, here it is. This is the example that I have. Very flat, but very cute. It's just so much fun. At this point, I didn't have the pastels version, so I had only one set of Ohuhu Marker, and I ended up picking up another pack of pastel ones on Amazon. So I haven't put those to use, to be honest. My markers are everywhere. That's the issue right now. That's why I want to use the Bobbie Goods ones, just so I have at least a pack where everything's in one place and I'm not missing anything. Now this is the one that I really liked as well. I got this on Amazon, but TikTok Shop also sells this. This is the berry colors. I love the illustration of these, but definitely it does not hold up in the same way in terms of markers. Like I would have to cut the sheet because I know this would bleed 10 times. Whoops. And those are the color swatches that I was trying to do for my color pencils. But I know it would bleed a lot more. So this is a page I started. This is with just Crayola crayons. Because I had an itch for the Crayola crayons and trying to work with... Okay, I want to see if it smelled like the crayons. But yeah, I haven't finished anything. I haven't done anything else other than that. But the art style is super cute. And I really love this cover page. So that's why I wanted to get better at coloring, practicing my blending skills and techniques, and see if I could do something really fun and creative. So I have some color swatches and stuff that I was doing. So this is actually for the crayons. I bought a Crayola, the biggest pack of Crayolas you can buy. I forgot what they are. And then I have a swatch chart of the complexion colors from Crayola. This is the colors of the world. I finished this. I didn't finish these because there was just so many, and that always happens to me. Like, you could usually find printables, but I couldn't find one that had all the colors that I needed. But typically I like to buy something that's already made, like the one that came from Bobbie Goods, because I lose the motivation to finish these and then it just sits there. This is part 2 of the 120 Ohuhu markers I was telling you about. So I definitely have them somewhere. I just think half of them are in the Bronx right now. I'm currently filming in Queens because it's just quieter here. But this is my color sheet for that. So yeah, those are the 3 coloring books I have right now. I'm sure my Bobbie Goods is somewhere. I don't know. Because she's come out with a couple. Her most recent one I have not picked up yet. Just because I'm on a budget. I'm trying to save money here. You already know the deal. I haven't even brought my budgeting videos to YouTube yet. But I definitely intend to, because I do want to do a full breakdown. I do want to figure things out with you. And like be transparent in that journey now that we're entering into 2026. And... you know, I want to put up stuff, like I want to upload, and I want to be, you know, as good. I want my actions to speak louder than my words, so that's why I've been trying to upload more, you know, because every time I come here and I say, oh, I haven't been uploading, blah, 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 and I never want to talk about that again, but I do think that a part of me, this is so off topic, that's all I'm talking about. I basically talked about everything I needed with these coloring books anyway, but I do want to do one last video kind of recapping the year, and then letting it go forever, so... anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you do coloring books or anything like that, or have any suggestions for books that you enjoy, let me know down below, and I will see you very soon with another video. Stay safe out there. Please stay safe out there. Oh my gosh, we had a snowstorm. It wasn't even that bad, but it's pure ice here in New York City at the time that I'm filming this video, and it's so hard to get anywhere when you're as clumsy as I am. And I'm too old to be taking any falls, guys, because they're not cleaning these sidewalks anymore. They're just letting us struggle. So yeah, stay safe out there, especially if you're experiencing any snow, and I'll see you next time. Bye.